Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Welcome to Info Session 2022. My name is Jamale Harris. I am the head of partners and a product manager of External Share. And today what I would like to do is talk to you about how to collaborate inside Confluence and make it a success. So without further ado, why is collaborating important? Some of you may just think you're just kind of going into Confluence and you're just jotting down a bunch of stuff and no one's paying attention to it. But collaborating is important because it opens up new channels for communication. It's a boost of morale across the team and the organization. I know that it helps me. It makes us more efficient with our work. It helps people learn from each other. It leads to higher retention and it brings people closer together. And lastly, it helps us problem solve. So what I would like to do now is I'm going to share our new External Share video premiere. So what the concept is, you guys can laugh, make jokes, point fingers. So what this was basically was going from how we used to do things back in the day and kind of bringing everything to the future and kind of solving a use case. So without further ado. Sorry.
Remember those days when we were stuck sending faxes, working with dial-ups, paying heavy tech taxes? Well, those days are over. It's time for a new way of sharing. We ain't got no more blockers. External Share knocks you off your rockers. So come on in. Ain't no secrets to hide, just a nice system with data inside.
Back when we were young, thought tech evolution was up. We had the latest tech, had our processes in check. Yeah, something was rather lacking. Although none of us were slacking, found ourselves behind the firewalls and teamwork desired. Yo, something made a PDF and ABC. All the words and letters, numbers couldn't be shared easily. Got my brothers calling me, crying, weaselly. My server would be tripping, can't share ISO 2 and 3. But at 02, Jira knew, Confluence came after. Nice brew, who knew business would get faster? Rent, race, sprint, pace, work together like a master. Deep space, page ace, I tell it like a pastor. Old street, dope beat, got Jira issues rocking. No seat, real neat, third parties be knocking. Down doors, space wars, Confluence got it popping. Flame wars, down doors, and page viewings, they go shopping. Cause we're old street, old school, coming at you hard with ideas. So fresh and new that we kindly remind thee. Our solution's gonna help you do what you gotta do when you need to share of your content flair. Just trust in us to overcome your licensing despair. Wanna share secure? Just go procure that one app that'll be your savior. Sharing illness cure when you're hustling and ain't got time for upload, reload, attach, then chime. What the heck? Wait a sec, where'd my email go? Where that box? Cause this drop is the only tool to know when in the Confluence and Jira game. Manual permissions won't keep you sane. No avoid admin saying you ain't going there. But we're old street, baby, and we're the ones who care. External Share.
We're at the bar. So that was our brand new video premiere. And now what I would like to just jump in is just talking about a little bit of sharing, collaborating, whether it's someone you work with, whether it's someone externally, etc. So we do some really cool collaborations and we are interested. So if anyone would like to do some sort of integration with us, please feel free to contact me. It could be with, custom charts for Jira or Confluence, or it can also be with this great app with External Share. So some of you may not know that you can do some cool customization with diagrams by Seabird Media. Those guys, Bastion, they do really great things. Glyphy, Lucid Charts, we work with them as really well too. So you can definitely create your own Confluence pages and then share them using External Share. You can kind of create your own little Kanban board and put it on a Confluence page, and I'll kind of walk you through how you can actually share that with external users. We also have where if you are working with contractors or project managers or stakeholders, and you guys are looking for contracts to be signed, pretty much full-on live collaboration where you get the full live updates. You can actually put your contracts into your Confluence pages, and what we actually have coming up soon, we are going to be introducing to contract signatures for Confluence. So what this is going to allow you to do is actually get the signatures that you need all inside the Confluence page. So no more needing to go chase other people down. You can pretty much tag someone in whoever you're collaborating with or working with, send them a message, know that they'll send them a message and say that, hey, they'll automatically get the notification that they are there to sign. And what it does is it goes through a chain. So each person that needs to sign, it would be in the right order. So yeah, that's a nice introduction from there. And then our external watch feature, external share watch, watch with your external users. So anytime you share a Confluence page, you can click on the external share icon, create the link, and then once that link is already active, the person that you're working with or an external user, they can automatically go and subscribe to that page, and they'll automatically get those updates live to their email. So what I'm going to do is we're going to share this page, and I'm just going to walk you through some steps so that way you can see how it actually works. So from here, you would click on the external share link logo, and then you would click on the icon where it says create external share link. And you have a bunch of options that you can play with. You can change the link name if you would like to, but in this case, we'll keep it the same. You also get some permissions. So you get to view comments, add comments. You can set to add attachments to it, view page labels, and share child pages. And that's really good for when you're working with someone outside of your department or working with another instance that may need you to share those additional information on those pages. We also do provide security. So you can set expirations where they're a month, week, 2 weeks. You can also create an extra password. So you can generate a random one, or you can kind of create your own. You can send that through a template, like an email template that we have, or you can send it through somewhere separate. So like Slack, email, or whatever communication that you're using at that time. Also, selected users. So this is the external users. This is probably one of my favorite features. So sharing only with the following users. So let's say I'm working with one of you guys, let's say Patrick from over at Trundle, and I want to share some confidential information with him. So what I would do is once I create that link, I would put his email in there, and then from there, once I send that link, if he tries to send it to someone else, could be a sister, could be a colleague, could be anyone, they will not be able to have access to that link. They automatically, once they click on it, it will say access denied. When Patrick goes to click on it, Patrick will automatically, if there's a password protection or anything like that, all he would have to do is literally click on that, type it in the information, and he'll instantly have access to that page. And then jumping forward, this is great for auditing purposes. So if you are a Jira admin and you want to kind of go through your logs of what was created, etc., you'll be able to see like when the link was actually created, date and time, who was created by, and how many times it was that page was open. And then if anyone is actually interested in using external share for Confluence, please feel free to reach out to me at Jamale at oldstreetsolutions.com. You can definitely take a look at our website, oldstreetsolutions.com. We just updated and we're very proud of it. External share is available on cloud, server, and data center. And if you are interested, please let me know and I'll get you a promo code for 1 year. Any questions or feedback? I'm a little nervous. It's my first time, but I definitely appreciate it.
You remember the rules? Just wait for me.
Thank you. This is really cool. How does the licensing work for external collaborators? Do you have to have a Confluence license for each individual?
Excuse me, say that again?
On cloud, for example, how is licensing done for the external, like the folks that you're sharing the pages with?
So everything focuses, and I'm gonna try and make sure that I can answer this correctly. But everything is done based off of the shared link. So once they receive the link, then they'll be able to they would be able to open it. So there's no additional. Oh, how much it costs?
Yeah. And I know it's like weird because it's different for different deployments. So I'm just curious how that works.
So I believe it's from 0 to 10 users.
The point is it's trying to use it to.
Gotcha. Chris, everyone.
All right.
Users don't have to be licensed to view external share links.
Fascinating. Cool.
They can actually edit the link, but they can view it, have comments, and attachments.
Cool. All right. Thanks, team. Thank you.
Any other questions?
Okay. Reda always have questions.
Very cool, Jamal. First question, one of the important question in my view. Can we get the video?
Can you get the video?
Yeah.
I'll external share it to you.
Oh, perfect.
So,
Yeah,
matter of fact,
you got it, man.
write your email down right now, and I'll external share it in front of everybody to you.
Great. Another question. Can you restrict the functionality? Like, there is a global button on every page, period. Can you say on a space level, for example, it is not allowed just for maybe a special group or special users?
Yes. So you can, in the space settings, have the option to restrict whether you want someone to view comments or add comments, share child pages or add any attachments. If you're just looking to push content for just view only, you can have where the space is actually controlled, where that's all they can see.
Great. Sounds amazing. The last question is mail template management, because you mentioned that you send that out as an email, and I heard that you said template. So is it individualizable? So the template, you can change the template?
Yes, so you can actually go to the global settings, and in there we have customization for the email template. And you can change the body, you can change the subject line of it, and you can, however it is that you want. So if you are creating links for everyone, you can send it out and you don't have to do anything extra. It's just there for you.
Great, very great. Cool, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, we have another question here. So I'm doing a little bit of sport today, but it's good because I ate waffles for morning.
No problem.
Okay.
So I saw that you were sharing a page. How does it work if I want to share a page tree?
Like with the child pages?
Yes.
So literally you would go on the main page and the child pages are underneath it. And I'm sorry, they shut the video off, but I can connect with you after and I can show you how to actually share. And then you can also add additional information where you can create labels so you can choose what you want to show. So if something is private and then you want to send it to someone that's public, you can do that too. So I can connect with you after this and I'll show you how that works.
Thank you.
No problem.
Great. Thank you very much, Jamal.
No problem.
as usual, if you have any questions, just ask Jamal.